All right, guys, I know we're all pumped up and excited for the JMA Elite Masterclass, how the rich get wealthy and stay wealthy. And so we're going to be talking about wealth creation and wealth protection during this exclusive masterclass on live stream to everyone. So I want you all to chime in on live stream. Go to jmaelite.com, and there's limited seats, so there will be a VIP experience for those who want to come in person here in Atlanta, Georgia on June 30th by going to that same website, jmaelite.com, for me to instruct you and teach you and show you the game on specific strategies for you to start wealth creation, multiple streams of revenue, how to operate and systemize and automate your businesses, how to be the go-to person within your sphere of influence so you can syndicate deals, joint venture on deals, and creatively finance your business or real estate opportunities. And we want to talk about how you manage the money and how you budget the money and how you build a strong organization that can support you as you're creating wealth, right? And then some of the personal development tips and tools you need to have that wealthy and healthy mindset in order to be able to grow your empire and stay humble in the process and not ruin your empire. And then we're going to talk about specific strategies on cost segregation of real estate, on how to mitigate taxes, on how you buy cars and jewelry and other potential liabilities, but turn them into some kind of opportunities to reduce your taxable income, which keeps more money in your pocket. Right? So I want to show you how to take some of your basic liabilities when you're creating wealth and how to reduce your taxable income. I'm not an accountant, but I've learned some things I want to share with you on how you can keep more money in your pocket when you do create wealth. So learn these specific strategies with me June 30th here in Atlanta, Georgia by going to jmaelite.com or live streaming all throughout the world, jmaelite.com. Register for the live stream to learn how to get wealthy, and stay wealthy, and how we protect those assets. I'll see you there.